A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for juice, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for owl, P for pigeon, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sheep, T for toy, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra.